What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Alex, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to get this amazing, of course, the Spotify blue check mark that you're a verified artist. It's going to be very straightforward. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. So if you want to see more of these Spotify for Artists tutorials or basically any kind of video when it comes to music distribution, make sure to subscribe to the channel because every week we'll be covering every single topic you can imagine about like which kind of distributor is the best one, how to get your music out, how to optimize your artist profiles, and way much more. So I would say with that all the way, let's get started getting our verified check mark right after the intro. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do today is guide you guys through exactly how to get verified on Spotify, and it is pretty simple, and I'm gonna take YouTube as an example how hard it is to get this verified checkmark on YouTube, as it is so different on Spotify because you don't need actually criteria to get verified on Spotify. On YouTube you can get your verified checkmark when you have 100,000 subscribers or more, but on Spotify it is really straightforward that you can just upload your music using a distributor, whether that's DistroKid or TuneCore, and then once everything is live on all these platforms, you will automatically get verified as well on there. So I'm going to show you exactly how that works. So right now, of course, when you want to get verified on Spotify, you first need to submit your music to your distributor, and then that one is going to send it out. So how that works is, in the last video I showed you how to upload your music. So if you haven't seen that one, make sure to click through at the end of this video to show you how to get your music out properly. Alright, so the first thing is we need to upload the music onto these platforms. So choose your distributor of choice, and then you want to upload all your files that you got from your master engineer to DistroKid or TuneCore or any kind of distributor that you're preferring. And then once everything is uploaded, it takes about a week or maximum 2 weeks for Spotify to recognize your music on the platform itself, and then you will able to claim also your artist profile. So how that works is you have sent out your music, and then if you go to artist.spotify.com, you will see this page where you can just sign up or sign in, and then if you type in your name in the search bar, you can claim your profile and it is ready to be verified. But if you type in your name and nothing shows up, no results are found, that basically means that you have to wait a little bit longer for Spotify to detect your single or your music. Because in my case, when I was uploading my first single, I submitted my music to DistroKid, and then I think about maybe an hour or 2 hours later, it was immediately processed and sent out to all the stores. But then I think it took about maybe a week or a week and a half for Spotify to recognize my music. So what happened then is, after waiting for a little while, I was able to type in the name, I was able to also claim it, and then the verified checkmark immediately popped up. There is no list you have to fill out. You don't need a certain amount of followers. You don't need a certain amount of streams, a certain amount of songs, a certain amount of monthly listeners. That's not the case at Spotify, because Spotify works different on YouTube, where you can just become an artist, and when your music is submitted and live onto these platforms, Spotify immediately gives you this check mark because they know it is you. So that's really cool, because on YouTube it works a little bit different, because you can get verified if you have 100,000 subscribers or more. That basically means that YouTube is going to prevent other people from being an imposter, pretending to be you, and they want to authenticate the channel with giving it a check mark. And on Spotify, that is not really possible to create so many different accounts, because people don't have your songs, of course. They cannot upload it for you instead. People cannot go to the distributor and then submit your songs that you have only yourself. So there is no other way for people to impose you. So that's why you don't need any kind of criteria when it comes to getting verified on Spotify. So it's really straightforward. So if you want to know in detail how to submit your music to Spotify, Apple Music, make sure to check out the video I made last week about how to, submit all your music onto your distributor, how to, prepare your single for release or your album, or how to upload your artwork, how to give in the ISRC code. All the details are covered in that video, but this video is specifically about how to get verified on Spotify, which is really straightforward, because you become instantly verified once you are able to claim your artist profile. So once you're verified on Spotify, very crucial is that you can just customize your profile, and that's what we're going to cover in the next video. I'm not going to show you today how to customize all that. We're going to keep that for a separate video, but this is basically how to get verified on Spotify, uploading new music, claiming your artist profile, and then you have this amazing, really cool blue check mark that you are the verified artist. So guys, that's it for this video, a really quick one. Make sure to stay tuned for next week where we're going to cover how to customize your profile on Spotify and basically any kind of platform that you have, such as Apple Music as well, your Amazon artist page. Thanks a lot for watching. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to reward it with a like down below as well. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these videos about how to get your music out, how to get the right formats, how to customize your playbacks on Spotify when it comes to making these really cool custom canvases while your song is playing on Spotify. So guys, thanks a lot for the continued support, and I will see you in the next video.